Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine and you're doing well. Children, in last video we discussed about the minerals in plants, and today we are going to discuss another important topic, that is coordination in plants. Now, you all must have seen plants around you, but are they of same size or height? Of course not. You see big trees, medium-sized shrubs, and even plant saplings. Now, what are shrubs? Shrubs are nothing but a woody plant which is smaller than a tree and has several main stems arising at or near the ground. Okay, examples you can take aloe vera, rosemary plants, etc. Then sapling is nothing but a very young tree. Okay, so these tells us that plants exhibit some growth changes as well as some movements. These coordination in plants is attributed to the presence of plant hormones. Hormones is nothing but the ability to control the movements properly, right? So unlike animals, plants do not have any muscular system or nervous system, but they are still able to show movement and also coordination. These movements are always controlled and not haphazard. Haphazard here is with no particular order or plan, means badly organized. Okay, so let us learn more about coordination in plants. Now we'll see the movement in plants. Now, movement in plants actually exhibit two types of it. So one is growth dependent movements called the tropic movements. Here the plant moves towards or away from a stimuli. The second is a non-growth dependent movements, which is called as the Nastic movements. They are independent of stimulus. Stimulus here is something that causes activity, development or interest. Alright. Now we'll see in detail one by one what it is. So first we'll see the tropic movements. Now these tropic movements are classified in three types. One is a phototropism, that means through light, geotropism through gravity, and hydrotropism through water. So these plants are also classified under these three categories. So that what it is, how it is, we'll see. So first is phototropism. So phototropism is actually the movement of plants in response to light. The shoot system of a plant exhibit these characteristics. So as you can see also in the image that how the shoot moves towards the sunlight, isn't it? So it is called as a phototropism, the movement of plants in response to the light. Then we have geotropism. Geotropism, it's a movement of a plant part towards the soil. This is a characteristics of the root system. Here the roots always move in the direction of the earth's gravity. As you can see in the image as well, that how the plant is growing, I mean the roots are moving towards the direction of earth's gravity. Gravitation pulls down towards the earth. Okay. Then we have third, that is hydrotropism. So the hydrotropism is actually a form of tropism which is characterized by the growth or movement in response of a cell or an organisms to the moisture or water. Okay, so here it is of two type again. A positive hydrotropism is one in which the organism tends to grow towards moisture, near water, towards water. Whereas when we talk about the negative hydrotropism is occurring when the organism grows away from it, means the plants grow away from the moisture. So these were the three type of tropic movements. Now we will see the another type of movement, that is the Nastic movements. Now what are Nastic movement? Nastic movements in plants are not directional movements. They are not dependent on stimuli and are growth independent. Stimuli is something that causes activity of a development, right? So here if we'll take the example, the leaves of touch me not. I hope all of you must have seen the touch me not plant. Touch me not itself is saying do not touch me. So the scientific name of that touch me not plant is Mimosa pudica. So it fold up immediately when you touched it. Okay, as soon as you touch the leaves, it started folding up. So these kind of changes occurring due to the changes in the amount of water in the leaves, and depending upon the quantity, so they either swell up or shrink. Swell up, swollen, and shrinking is reduced, right? So this is the example for the Nastic movements. Okay children, this is a very simple and important topic. So with this topic we end up our chapter, that is photosynthesis. So on the basis of this topic what we have discussed, I made the questions for you all. You all know where you have to write. You have to write it down in your notebook, right? So here is the exercise for you all. It's filling the blanks. For answers, you can refer the video again and again and can answer properly and correctly. The fifth one. Then answer in following questions. Fourth one. Okay, so in next video we will be discussing the new chapter. Till then you all can study and can revise the videos which I've been giving to you. You just go through again and again and can understand the concepts clearly, correctly and properly, right? So thank you everyone.